Hi guys, in this guide I will teach you how to create scheduled messages that are sent automatically in WhatsApp on iPhone. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. First you need to find the shortcut application. To do this you can swipe left to the app library, tap on the search bar and search for shortcuts. This is default application by Apple. And here you have three tabs: shortcuts, or in other words pre-programmed actions, automation, and gallery of shortcut presets. So what you need is to stay on the shortcuts tab and first off create a new shortcut. Tap on the plus icon. Now search for WhatsApp application and create a new shortcut which is named send message. Now tap on the message word in this section and enter your message text. Now tap on recipients and enter the contact name, or tap on the plus icon and add a contact from your address book. You can add multiple contacts. Tap on done. Next tap on the information icon at the bottom and adjust your settings. You can add to home screen, show on Apple Watch, pin in menu bar, and so on. Also go to privacy tab and make sure it's allowed running when locked, when the phone is locked. And some setup, but this is never mind so far. So allow to access WhatsApp, everything is fine. Tap on done and create new shortcut. Now you have this shortcut, send message 1. Anytime you can tap on three dots in this widget and edit your shortcut. Let's say tap on its name at the top. You can rename, choose icon, duplicate, move at the home screen and export. Each time you have to tap done to save your settings. And the next step is to create an automation. So switch to automation tab, hit new automation. And now you need to choose under what condition the action will be executed. So you can send your message based on time of day, based on your alarm, when you arrive or leave somewhere, when you get an email, and so on. Let's send by time of day. We can choose sunrise, sunset, exact time of day, repeat daily, weekly, repeat monthly. Let's repeat weekly, every day except Tuesdays and Saturdays, let's say. You can run after confirmation or run immediately and get a notification when run. Now hit next, and on this screen you can create a new automation or select from your shortcuts. So let's select our shortcuts, send WhatsApp message, and the automation is created. You see its description. You can tap on the automation to edit. Hit done. Once you're done, add new automation and go to shortcuts tab to create a next shortcut. I hope this was helpful, guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.